On Saturday, Opel celebrated 125 years of automobile manufacturing under the motto, Forever Forward since 1899, and invited the public to the open day in Rüsselsheim. Thousands of Opel fans from near and far took the opportunity to delve deep into the history of the brand with the Blitz, and above all, to gain an insight into how Opel has positioned itself for the electrified automotive future and wants to shape it sustainably. In addition, many visitors used the day to look behind the scenes of automobile production. Opel CEO Florian Huettl was able to welcome German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, the Prime Minister of the state of Hesse, Boris, Rhein, as well as Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares, Stellantis Chairman John Elkann and Xavier Chéreau, Stellantis Chief Human Resources and Transformation Officer, and Opel Supervisory Board Chairman, as guests of honor at the Opel headquarters in the morning. During the official ceremony, Chancellor Scholz and Prime Minister Rhein emphasized how important the success of the automotive industry is for Germany, and in congratulating them on Opel's anniversary, underlined the great importance of Opel's electrification strategy for the future. On this occasion, Xavier Chéreau also presented the plans for the Green Campus project, the new global Opel headquarters and future Stellantis Germany headquarters, which will make a decisive contribution to reducing the carbon footprint of the Rüsselsheim location.